Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your ULEFONE Armor X12 support eSIM. Okay, so let's begin. We are on the IMEI info page, and now we need to type the IMEI number of our device right in here in this bar. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's also a video, and in here you can see for yourself. In here also you have a quick instruction how you can do it. Now click on check IMEI. Now our ULEFONE appeared. Scroll down until you find the basic checks and click on eSIM compatibility check. Click on check eSIM compatibility, and now we have our answer that this device doesn't support eSIM. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.